We hand roll all of our pastels at Unison Colour. We have flirted with the idea of extruding our pastels, we've flirted with the idea of moulds, but the best way that we can make a quality pastel for you, the artist, is to hand roll them. My name's Jim Longman, and this is Unison Colour in the heart of Northumberland in Thornyburn, where we make soft artist pastels. I am the head maker of Unison Colour.
My name's Nessie Wise. I've been here for 4 years. I'm a maker, so I make the pastels. We make them from scratch, and then we roll them, we cut them, we package them here. So I do a bit of everything up here, but it's lovely.
The recipes were all devised by John Hersey, the founder of this company, 35 to 40 years ago. He created over 400 different recipes using the highest quality pigments from around the world, and those recipes have pretty much not changed since then. It's a big part of what we do, is matching those colours and the feel of those colours that John created, so that if you bought a pastel 30 years ago, it's the same if you buy it today. We use a lot of high-tech equipment in this place. We've got hazel's eyes and we've got palette knives that we cut the ends off with. It's not a factory, it's a studio where we create the pastels.
The process is completely unchanged from when John Hersey started these pastels, making these pastels over 40 years ago. Everything is done by hand, everything is felt, done by touch and intuition. I think some of the spatulas and the cutters that we use are still exactly as they were 40 years ago, so we have a lot of sort of history. I think the only thing that's changed slightly is we don't use pestle and mortars anymore, but everything else is just done purely by touch and by knowledge and experience. So the process of making pastels starts in our mixing studio, which is one of our lovely buildings here. And it's like making a cake. You follow a recipe, which is John Hersey devised 40 years ago. And each one is a different makeup, different composition, full of pigments. So we weigh them out, we mix them up in a big sort of Robocop mixer, and they're in their dry powder form. And then once they're all made up, they come over to our studio here.
Once the pigment's been mixed, we take it in dry form over to the making studios, where the makers will add water, essentially.
Once the consistency's right and all of the pigments are mixed together, it's all incorporated, we then spoon them out onto the paper. So we have these big pads of paper that are lovely thick blotting paper, and each spoonful gets spooned out and the paper draws the water out of the pastel. So it's part of the drying process. You want them to be at a stage where you can squeeze them, you can pick them up, you can handle them so they're not too wet. And then once they're at a stage you're happy with, each one has a different drying time and process, but once you're happy with them, you pick them up and you roll and you size them slightly, and then you start rolling them. So that's when you get onto the papers, and they're all hand rolled. It's all done by eye, it's all done by intuition and experience, but they're then rolled to size, and then once you're happy with those, you cut them, and you cut them with two palette knives stuck together with a bit of dowel in between them, and that just makes sure that they're all even, they're all the same. And then from the ends, you re-roll from there, so nothing's wasted. It's all remixed, water's added to it, it's all, so you can roll again from the ends, so there's absolutely no waste.
Once the pastels have been rolled, we have to dry them. We'll take them to our drying room, which sounds fancy, but it's a room with a radiator in, and we'll dry them long and slow so that they stay nice and buttery soft, and once they're dry, we'll take them out of the room to be tested. To test the pastels, we'll pass them on to Hazel, our pastel czar, as she likes to be called, where she will draw out every single one of the colours we make and test them against her library of colours and her own experience and knowledge to make sure that they are the colours and the texture that you're after, you as artists are after.
And then once they're all dried, they get boxed up and they get taken to our packing, which they're then individually wrapped, individually packaged, put in little beautiful boxes and sent off around the world and for everyone to use.
We hand roll all of our pastels at Unison Colour. We have flirted with the idea of extruding our pastels, we've flirted with the idea of moulds, but the best way that we can make a quality pastel for you, the artist, is to hand roll them. That's how you get the feel of it, that's how you get the texture of that pastel that you love.